So I'm here at Vogel State Park up near Blairsville, Georgia. And check out some of the hiking trails around here that are in the park. And if the rain holds off, I may get the paddleboard out and go on the lake here. This first trail is just about a mile long. It loops around the lake, and there's a little side trail down to see a waterfall. So we'll go check that out. So I'm on top of the dam right now, and this is what provides all the water for the waterfall we just saw. And here's a good view of the whole lake. All right, on to another trail. As you saw at the sign there, the trailhead, you can access 3 trails from here. We're going to do 2 of them. Bear Hair Gap, and the one I'm on now is the Bayou Reese Trail, which, if you watched my video on Blood Mountain, it is not that Bayou Reese Trail. It is another one. But according to the map that the park supplies, in this mile loop trail here, there are more species of trees than in all of Yellowstone National Park. So that's pretty interesting. If you like to learn about stuff as you're walking, there's several of these little signposts along this trail telling about bugs and bats and whatnot. All right, so that was the Bayou Reese Trail. Nice little, almost a mile loop. I'm gonna go get something to drink and something to eat, and we'll come back and do the Bear Hair Gap Trail. All right, got some water and some food. I'm ready to go. I'm on Bear Hair Gap Trail now. This one's 4.1 miles. We'll get on that. I'm walking along a nice stream right now. Birds are chirping, and it's all good. So you can also get to Blood Mountain from this direction, which is where I was the other day. Alright, so the Bear Hair Gap Trail. I'm climbing up the hill now. Quite a bit of climb to it. But still following this creek, river, whatever it is. There's been a few areas like this on the trail where the water just running down the trail. Looks like somebody made a path around it. I'm still going to get my feet wet. Right, come to this junction. The Bear Hair Gap Trail continues off to the right, but up to the left is a little spur trail, overlook trail. So we're going to climb up there, and I'm guessing there'd be some sort of view. So this is pretty cool. Way down there is the lake we walked around earlier this morning. So this spur trail comes out on this knob, and you kind of got a trail around it. And so you saw the lake there, which is nice. And it looked like on a clear day, you could see some nearby mountains through the trees and stuff. But it's cloudy here today, and they're all covered. This stream crossing might be a little more sketchy than the other ones. I made it. Right, I'm about a quarter mile from the trailhead. So that was Bear Hair Gap Trail. You got probably 1,000 feet of elevation climb up to get to that overlook. And I guess that's the main point of the trail, is the overlook. But there's also a couple cool rock formations along the way, and you're never out of the either sight or sound of the water. There's creeks everywhere up here. So it's pretty nice. That's all the hiking we're going to do here today. There's one other trail, the Costa Trail. That's 12 miles. I'll save that for another day. But you got, this is you had two easy ones and a moderate one.